On September 3rd, Beijing is preparing a spectacle unlike any other, an event where the world will witness China reveal brand new aircraft and advanced technology for the very first time. Among them are the highly anticipated J-35 stealth fighter and the long-rumored H-20 strategic aircraft. But the surprises don't stop at aviation. Drones, directed energy systems, and cutting-edge electronic platforms will also take center stage. When it comes to the spotlight of this parade, two names dominate conversations: the Shenyang J-35 stealth fighter and the Xi'an H-20 aircraft. Their combined debut is set to mark one of the most important moments in China's aviation story. The J-35, also known as the FC-31, has been in development for several years. Unlike earlier prototypes, recent reports and images indicate that it is now entering service with actual aviation brigades, signaling its readiness for operational use. Designed with stealth shaping, internal weapons bays, and advanced avionics, the J-35 is expected to operate not only from land bases, but also from China's newest aircraft carriers. This opens possibilities for long-range missions at sea, giving the country greater reach across key maritime regions. What makes it notable is how it mirrors some of the design philosophies of modern stealth jets globally, while carving out its own role as a flexible, multi-purpose platform. Next, the H-20. This aircraft has been shrouded in secrecy, with only hints of its design released in the past. Analysts believe it is a flying wing bomber with a range exceeding 8,000 kilometers and capable of carrying heavy payloads internally. Its public reveal at this parade would confirm years of speculation and represent China's first step into a category of aircraft previously reserved for a select few nations. To put it in perspective, just as new telescopes extend humanity's ability to see deeper into the universe, the H-20 extends operational reach across continents. What makes these debuts so important is not only the hardware itself, but the symbolism of unveiling both at once. The J-35 demonstrates progress in tactical aviation, while the H-20 represents progress in strategic reach. Together, they form a narrative of balance, an ability to operate both close to home and far away. Their introduction is not just about new designs, but about signaling maturity in research, development, and deployment. While advanced aircraft capture headlines, the parade is also set to reveal systems that redefine what future conflict might look like. These include drones, counter-drone platforms, directed energy devices, and advanced electronic tools that highlight a shift from purely mechanical power to integrated, technology-driven capabilities. Among the most anticipated is the stealth drone. Often described as this unmanned system, is designed to fly alongside crewed aircraft, taking on roles such as surveillance, electronic interference, and even direct engagement. What sets it apart is its autonomy, the ability to function with limited human input, adapting to changing situations. If proven reliable, this represents a leap toward human-machine collaboration in aviation. Equally notable are counter-drone and electronic systems. With unmanned aerial vehicles now widespread, the ability to disrupt or disable them has become essential. China's inclusion of jamming platforms and detection equipment reflects recognition that control of the skies is no longer only about large jets, but also about dominating the smaller, faster, and more numerous unmanned machines that populate them. This mirrors how astronomers use filters to block noise in telescopic observations, ensuring clearer signals in crowded skies. Adding to the intrigue is the discussion of directed energy systems, sometimes described as laser-based tools capable of targeting threats at the speed of light. While the specific models expected at the parade remain under wraps, their presence would suggest a push into technologies that once seemed confined to science fiction. These systems, if operational, could provide new ways to defend against missiles or drones without relying solely on traditional interceptors. The technological diversity on display demonstrates that China's approach is no longer about copying established systems, but about building a layered network of solutions. Each platform, drones, lasers, jamming tools, addresses a different piece of the evolving puzzle of modern defense. This shift toward multi-domain capabilities highlights how the future battlefield is not just physical, but electronic and informational. Just as astronomy increasingly relies on combining optical, radio, and infrared telescopes, modern defense requires integrating multiple dimensions of technology. And yet, technology alone is not the whole picture. How these systems work together, coordinated across different branches and units, is the true measure of capability. That's exactly what the next section will uncover. What elevates this parade beyond an equipment display is the choreography of integration. For the first time in years, hundreds of aircraft from across China's air, naval, and ground branches will fly in coordinated formations over Tiananmen Square. The sheer numbers are staggering. Estimates suggest over 200 aircraft, including fighters, bombers, transports, and helicopters, supported by formations of personnel and equipment. This arrangement highlights the ability to combine different platforms into a seamless whole. Early warning aircraft will operate alongside strike fighters, while transport planes align with helicopters, simulating scenarios where information, mobility, and precision are tightly interlinked. This type of integration demonstrates not only possession of advanced tools, but also mastery of complex organization. It's one thing to showcase advanced jets individually. It's another to synchronize hundreds of assets across branches in real time, a feat requiring immense planning and discipline. Scale is another critical message. The parade is expected to last about 70 minutes, with each segment highlighting a different capability. The inclusion of domestically built early warning planes, precision strike equipment, and advanced naval aviation reflects the broad scope of modernization efforts. By showing air, sea, and ground elements working in harmony, China aims to project readiness for coordinated operations, something far more challenging than developing a single advanced aircraft. Equally significant is the international context. Leaders from multiple countries will attend, including high-profile figures from Russia and other nations. Their presence emphasizes that this event is not just for domestic audiences, but also for global observers. While Western leaders are not expected, the attendance of others provides a stage for demonstrating capability to supportive or neutral nations. This joint display has parallels in scientific cooperation. Just as projects like the Euclid telescope bring together instruments across Europe for a unified mission, the parade highlights the benefits of coordination across branches. Success depends not just on individual strength, but on how different elements connect into a single functioning system. The integration demonstrated here provides a glimpse into a future where operations are multi-branch, multi-domain, and highly synchronized. More than any single drone or fighter, it's this orchestration that communicates progress and preparedness. And as the final aircraft crosses the skies above Beijing, the message is clear. Technological innovation, when paired with large-scale integration, creates influence that goes beyond equipment. It shapes perceptions and expectations worldwide. This September 3rd event isn't just a commemoration. It's a carefully crafted message of progress, ambition, and integration. With the J-35, H-20, new drones, and electronic platforms unveiled alongside a massive joint display, China is signaling a future defined by advanced technology and coordination. Whether it's about reach, resilience, or readiness, the parade shows how innovation is reshaping the balance of capability. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on space exploration and scientific discoveries, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Also, you can visit our website, SpaceEyeNews.com. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.